Welcome to this quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a bookmark and how you can transfer from one browser to another browser. For an example, let's say I have a website URL open in my Chrome and it's not possible to note it down in my notebook or write it down anywhere if we have too many important URLs. So in that case, what we can do, we can simply add it over here like the same way I did. As you can see, I have added a Google Translation option, and if I click on this option, it will open the Google Translation page. So to add this, we can simply just click on this option and it will add this bookmark in my this bookmark bar over here. So if I click OK, as you can see, it's added. You can also drag and drop it over here like this, then also it will be added like this. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer this 4 bookmark that I have added in my Microsoft Edge. As you can see, on the Microsoft Edge there is no bookmark added. They call favorites, so there is no favorites added over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this to the Microsoft Edge, this favorite bar. So to do that, what we have to do, we have to open the Microsoft Edge over here. Then we are going to click on this favorite, or you can simply click over here. Then we are going to click on this option, import favorites, and it will take us to this option. So it's asking from which browser you wanted to import. So I have already installed the Chrome over here, so I'm going to import from Chrome. If you have any another browser, you can select it from here. It will be visible in this option. So let me import. Okay, now it's asking which options you wanted to import. There are a lot of options it's showing over here, like your favorites or bookmarks, save password, your personal information, your payment information, browsing history, and the other setting. You can do that. So we are going to only import the favorites or the bookmarks. So I'm going to not select all of the other things and import. Okay, it's done. So let's click over here, and as you can see, it's already copied the bookmarks over here. As you can see, it's under over here and the same thing. So this is how you can move or copy the bookmarks from a browser to another browser. I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much.